Now, students will see what are material noun and what are abstract nouns. Okay, so we have already learned what is proper noun, what is common noun, and what is collective noun. Okay, we have done these three things. Now we'll see what are material nouns. So, material noun is a noun given to material from which something is made. Okay, something from which other things are made. Something from which other things are made is called material noun. So here you can see pots are made of clay. Okay, pots are made from clay. Clay is a soft soil. Then we have bread. Bread is made from, you know, that flour. Okay. Then you have necklace. Okay. Women generally wear necklace, and their necklace is generally made from gold. You will not write golds. Okay, you will not write clays. You will always use singular form here. Okay, material nouns are always represented in singular form. Here you can see that the lamp is made of, generally lamp is made of copper. Okay, because copper is uh, used in making lamp. Next, you will not say coppers. Okay, always use singular form in material noun. Then you have bowl. Okay, in home you use bowl of steel, so you can say that the bowl is made of steel. Next you have, I am selecting this from this given things. Okay, I have selected this steel. I have selected gold of necklace, then sorry, necklace of gold, then floor, then I have selected silver also, and then I have selected clay also. So this key chain, okay, chain is generally made of silver. Okay, silver. People wear gold chain also, so you can write gold here also, no problem. You can write also here this bowl is made of silver, or this bowl is made of copper, no problem here. From here you can write here to this fill in the blanks, or you can write here, because bowl is made from different things na. Bowl can be made from gold, bowl can be made from uh, silver also, but bowl is generally made from steel. Okay, in your home you use bowl of steel, you don't use uh, bowl of gold. Okay, so we have selected appropriate answer here. But here the Taj Mahal is made from 100% what? From marble. Marble is white stone, so you will write here, you will write here marble. Okay, you will not write here steel. Taj Mahal is not made from steel. Then you will say the house is made from. Okay, this can vary. The house is made from marble or the stone, that is stone. But generally, house is made from concrete. Okay. Then you have roads are made from. Generally, roads are made from concrete, and house are made from bricks. So here answer will be brick. Okay. Then you have this cloth is made from. Answer will be cotton. Now, students, in this next question, question number 8th, we have to select all the material nouns. Okay. So suppose I'm solving 3 lines, other lines you have to solve. So I will solve only 3 or 4 lines. So let's see that. We had been to Kolkata for a holiday. We visited all the interesting places there. We did a lot of shopping. I bought a jacket made of leather. Okay, from leather we can make different things like shoes or bag or jacket or any other things. There are many things you can make from leather. Okay, purse you can make. My sister bought a bag made of jute. Okay, if you don't know, let me search jute for you. So This is called jute. You have seen bag of jute. Okay, this is called jute. You can see that they are called jute. It is famous. It is used to tie. It is used to make bag. Next is, so my father bought a shawl of silk. Okay, shawl we use in winter season, shawl of silk. Okay, so from silk you can make different things, shirt of silk, or different things you can make. From jute you can make different things like bag. Okay, then you have leather. Like this student, in these four lines you have to select. Okay, like wool, you have to select different material nouns from which other things are made. So let's go to our last noun, abstract noun. Okay, abstract noun is the name of something we can only think of or feel but cannot see or touch. Okay, we cannot see that, we cannot touch that, only we can feel that, and only we can, okay, only we can feel. Okay, it can be a name of, it can be name of quality, a stage, an idea, a state, or a feeling. Okay, state, idea, feeling, quality, they are called abstract nouns. So here you can see that a kind. So most abstract nouns are formed from adjectives. So what are adjectives? You must have read in previous classes what are adjectives. Adjectives are defining words. Okay, kind is a defining word. Like I say, Ram is a kind person. So which type of person Ram is? Kind person. So he's defining that person. He's saying kind person. From that kind we make kindness. I can say that फॉर योर काइंडनेस आई थैंक यू. ओके, आपकी महानता के लिए मैं आपका, ग्रेटनेस, काइंडनेस है ना, मैं आपका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ, आपके अच्छी चीज़ के लिए मैं आपका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ. देन आई से लॉन्ग. लॉन्ग इज ऑल्सो डिफाइनिंग वर्ड, an adjective. Okay, defining words are called adjective. Like I say, this is long rope. Okay, this is long rope. So this is, that is defining the rope. Okay, which type of rope is it? It is a long rope. But when I say, this rope has, this rope length is 3 meter. When I say this rope length is 3 meter, then it is what? That it is noun. Okay, it has something. Na? It has what? It has 3 meter length. So it has something. So it will be called it is abstract noun. Then similarly here we can say vacant. Vacant is a defining word. I say the, there is one vacant job. Okay, sorry, there is one vacant post. When I say one vacant post, so this vacant word is defining the post. Which type of post we have? We have vacant post. But when I say there is one vacancy in the school. Okay, there is one vacancy in Bharat Mata school. Which one? Which means there is something in Bharat Mata. What we have? We have vacancy here. Next you say happiness. Okay, खुशी. ही इज अ हैप्पी पर्सन. वह खुश मिजाज वाला पर्सन है. तो ही इज डिफाइनिंग दैट पर्सन, हैप्पी पर्सन. बट व्हेन आई से happiness, that is abstract noun. I can say uh, he had happy life. Okay, which type of life? Happy. But happiness is a good thing. So happiness is something na, which is good. So it will be what? It will be an abstract noun. Then strong. वह क्या है? बलवान व्यक्ति है. तो बलवान को क्या बोलेंगे? You will be defining word. So it will be adverb. Sorry, adverb नहीं, adjective. Okay. Then strength. वह बहुत बलवान व्यक्ति है, लेकिन जब बोलेंगे उसके पास बहुत ताकत है, तो ताकत इज समथिंग ना. स्ट्रेंथ इज समथिंग. स्ट्रेंथ कैन नॉट बी टच्ड. Okay, it cannot be seen. it can be only feel. Okay, we can only feel the strength. Okay, so strength is an mm, an abstract noun. Okay, similarly truth, like uh, this is a true story. Okay, this that will define that story. It is which type of story? True story. Then but I'll say truth. Truth is a good thing. Okay, so truth is again with something that is good. That will be called an abstract noun. Similarly you can see that dark, यहाँ बहुत अंधेरा है. Okay, so क्या बोलेंगे? It is dark here, it is, or it is darkness here. So you will say darkness here. It is here lot. It is darkness here. You will not say it is dark here. So but when you say it is dark night, when you are defining something like it is dark night, which type of night? It is dark night. Okay. Yeah, you have one movie, famous movie, The Dark Knight. Have you seen that movie? If you have seen that movie, inform me. The Dark Knight, very famous movie it is. The Dark Knight. Okay. You can see that 9 upon 10, 94%. The Dark Knight. Then you have angry. Okay, he is very angry person. Again it is defining that person. But when you say he has lot of anger, बहुत गुस्सा रहता है वो आदमी, हमेशा उसके पास गुस्सा रहता है. So बोलेंगे एंगर. एंगर इज समथिंग ओके विच इज इनसाइड पर्सनस माइंड. सेफ से यू विल मेक सेफ्टी. फ्रॉम गुड यू विल मेक गुडनेस, अच्छाई. अच्छा है, वो अच्छा पर्सन है, उसके में बहुत अच्छाई है. सो गुडनेस, कुछ चीज़ है उसके पास. इंटेलिजेंस है, उसके पास बुद्धि है, तो बुद्धि इज समथिंग. देन यू विल से फ्री से विल मेक फ्रीडम. ओके, वी अचीव्ड अवर फ्रीडम in 1947. So we achieved something na. What we achieved? We achieved freedom. But we say India is a free country, so it is defining that which type of country? Free country. So that will be called adjective. But when you will say freedom, then it will be abstract noun. Like this, like sweetness is inside the sweet. Goodness, honesty, bravery, sadness, pride, wisdom, all are what? Hungry, greatness, weakness. Okay, ness. Okay, th भी रहता है इसमें. th, honesty, t वर्ड भी रहता है. bravery, next, safety, vacancy. Okay, dumb, wisdom, freedom, sadness, like that. Here he has sweetness. They're all what? Abstract noun. Okay, we don't use plural form. We don't say length. Okay, we don't say rope length is, or we say anger. Okay, he has lot of angers. Okay, or we don't say he has lot of intelligences. Okay, yeah, फिर we don't say honesties or braveries. We don't use plural form of this abstract nouns. Similarly, for this material noun, we also don't use plural form. We don't say clays or golds or coppers. Okay, we don't use plural form of this material noun and this your abstract noun. Let's go to next page. So next page says abstract nouns are also formed from verbs. Okay, verbs are what? Verbs are action words. Okay, act say we can make action. From know say we can make knowledge. Like I want to know. Okay, he want to do something, he want to know. But I say I have a lot of knowledge, so he has something. What he has? He has knowledge. So we will not say he has a lot of knowledges. Okay, that will be wrong, because with abstract noun we don't use plural form. Okay, deaths, we'll know what say deaths. Okay, we'll say die. Okay, for example, think. I think you are a brave man. So he's doing some action. He's thinking. So thinking is action word. Action words are called verbs. Okay. But when I say I have thought, so I have something. When I say I have thought, मेरे पास एक idea है, मेरे पास एक thought है. So thought is something. So that will be called abstract noun. Okay. Similarly, appearance, his appearance is good, his invitation card is good. So loss, okay, uh, loss is again abstract noun. Okay, lose is a verb, he lost, he did something, okay, he lost. But loss is a abstract noun. Okay, similarly, live, live is what, noun, sorry, verb. Like I live in Raipur, he's doing something. What he's doing, he's living, so he's doing some work, that is action word. But when I say life, okay, there is one movie, famous movie, I watched that movie in Italian. That movie is available in Italian also, only Italian language. That movie name was Life is Beautiful. Okay, that was in Italian language. Okay, it is also a top 100 movie of world. And that The Dark Knight is also top 3 movie of the world. When you say what is the top 3 movie of the world, then you get Dark Knight. And when you say what is the top 50 movie of the world, then you'll say this Life is Beautiful. So life is something which is beautiful. So life is something, so that will be called abstract noun. Okay. देन वी हैव बच्चा, ठीक है, बच्चे से आएगा बचपना. बचपना इज अगेन यू कैन नॉट टच दैट, इट इज एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउ. लीडरशिप, ओके, एंड फॉर एग्जांपल वी कैन से because of his leadership India has achieved a lot of things. Okay, so because of his leadership, so leadership is something, friendship is something. Okay, uh, I have two friends. Okay, justice is normal, common noun. From common noun, we can also form that. Okay, that abstract noun. Friendship. Our friendship are good. Okay, so friendship is something which is good. Our friendship is good. Okay, brother. From brother you can make brotherhood. Okay, yeah. भाई से होगा भाईचारा. ओके, हमें भाईचारा रखना चाहिए, हमें कुछ रखना चाहिए. वी शुड कीप ब्रदरहुड अमॉन्ग अस. ओके, we don't have to fight. Okay, we have to keep brotherhood. Similarly, you can see the name of arts and science is also an abstract noun. Art here is music, singing, all are abstract noun. And science like physics, chemistry, grammar are also abstract noun. So let's solve our question. Students, I will solve only two questions and rest this you have to solve. Okay, these are your homework, you have to solve. I will all I will also I will only solve two questions. Okay, so many people in India live in poor. From poor will make poverty. Okay, गरीब से हम बनाएंगे गरीबी. ओके, बहुत सारे इंडिया के लोग गरीबी में रहते हैं, कुछ चीज में रहते हैं ना, तो चीज क्या हो गया, नाउन हो गया. समथिंग इज कॉल्ड poverty is noun. So poverty cannot be touched, you cannot touch garibi. Okay, similarly, dash dash is the best period of one's life, bachpana. Okay, from child you will make childhood. Okay, all the things you have seen in example that I have given, that I have explained topic where you have seen. Okay, so this all these are your homework, you can find here. Okay, you can find here, or you can find in this page here. You have to search those things and you have to write there. Okay, next is this question I will solve completely. This 10th question. Okay, 10th question says read the passage below, underline the abstract noun. Okay, a soldier is a man of courage. देखो, courage एक थिंग है ना, साहस, साहसी व्यक्ति. ही इज अ करेजियस पर्सन, बट ही इज अ करेज इज अ थिंग. ओके, साहस एक थिंग है. ही इज ऑन ही हिज ओनली एम इज टू प्रोटेक्ट द कंट्री. ओके, प्रोटेक्ट से हम बना सकते हैं प्रोटेक्शन. ओके, नेक्स्ट ही हैज एन आयरन विल एंड डिटर्मिनेशन. यू हैव सीन दिस डिटर्मिनेशन विल in your book, in your reading book, in your Abraham Lincoln chapter. He had strong determination. Okay, पक्का इरादा. Then he works with enthusiasm. Enthusiasm is thing. someone who works with great enthusiasm. Okay, then devotion is again a word, abstract noun. डिवोशन, श्रद्धा, डेडिकेशन, ठीक है, किस चीज को अच्छा पूरे मन से करना, डेडिकेशन. टू हेल्प अस लिव इन फ्रीडम, अगेन फ्रीडम इज व्हाट, abstract noun. Soldier never fear death. Okay, death is again thing. Die is a verb. From die we have made death. Okay, uh, then is he's ever ready to sacrifice his life. Sacrifice is a noun, sorry, verb. Sacrifice is a verb, for the country. A soldier is pride of nation. Okay, pride cannot be touched, so it is abstract noun. Let me underline again. Soldier is a man of courage. His only aim is to protect the country. He has an iron will and determination is abstract noun. He works with enthusiasm, then devotion and dedication, then freedom, then you have death, then you have, that's all. Okay, students, so do the homework, complete copy, and send me in my WhatsApp number. And that those things which are written in box, like here you can see all the definition you have to write in your fair copy, all the definition you have to write in your fair copy, and all the questions you have to solve in your grammar book. Suppose this definition you have to write in your fair grammar copy. Okay, this definition you have to write only two definition. Okay, and this rule you have to also write this. You can see that here, this rule. Okay, wait, yes, that rule, that definition you have to write in your fair copy, and that rule you have to write in your fair copy. Here you can see that this rule. Okay, these rules you have to write here all the things in your fair copy. Okay, fair copy you have to write, and you have to solve these questions and send me homework for correction. If there is any mistake in your if you have solved, then I will solve in, I will check it. Okay, bye students.